Hello, myself Utkarsh Chauhan. I have taken part in Unacademy Mega Combat and I have won this JBL speaker and 75% scholarship in GATE and ESE. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Deepak. I am preparing for GATE and IES. I have received this beautiful iPad from Unacademy. So I want to thank Unacademy for this. I have received this beautiful gift and I have been selected as a lucky draw winner for the combat held on 19th this December. This is a beautiful iPad which I received from Unacademy, and this is the charger. I want to thank Unacademy for this. This combat has helped me a lot in my GATE and IES preparation. So I want to thank Unacademy for this. Thank you, Unacademy.
I would like to thank Unacademy for giving me these headphones, for participating in Unacademy Combat in the month of January, and thank you Unacademy for this.
Hello everyone, my name is Debojyoti Dev. So I appeared on Mega Combat contest on 9 January. So there is a lucky draw contest happens with all the contestants from the quiz. So there I got this JBL set from Unacademy. So thank you Unacademy for this amazing gift.
Hello, I am Prashant Kumar. Thank you Unacademy for the iPad. It will help me a lot in my journey.